భజ గోవింద భజ గోవింద గోవింద భజ మూఢమతే సంప్రాప్తే సన్నిహితే కాలే నైనైరక్షతి నైనైరక్షతి డుక్రింకరణే డుక్రింకరణే డుక్రింకరణే. Your death is coming. When the death will come, you will never know, my dear. For sure the death will come. This 100 years of age is nothing in span of your infinite journey of your soul to nothing. Sannite kale. How come you think you have so much time to go and meditate? This 100 years is like a speck of a second, Samprapte sannihite kale. You are at the gun point. This 100 years is like a time of split second at the gun point. Your death is waiting like you are standing on, a razor edge, a sword on your neck. Your death is. This 100 years of lifespan is like your sword on your throat. When it will slit, you will never know. It is like a gun in your temple. When the bullet will pass through, you will never know. Sannite kale samprapte nainairaya. Do you think this will protect you from the bullet of the death? A slit of the death? Do you think this is a way to protect your death, conquering the death? You useless fellow? Huh? Nainaidak karane Modajahi dhanagama trishna kuru sadbuddham manase vedrushna yallabase nija karmopatam nija karmopatam vittandena vinodaya chetam bhaja govinda bhaja govinda govindam bhaja modhamate Hey stupid, why do you chant this Sanskrit? Why do you want to learn Sanskrit? To earn the money, desire for earning money, making bucks, using Sanskrit, desire for money is what are you doing? Hey stupid, dhanagama trishna kuru sadbuddham manase vedrushna. Staining mind with further with 100 impurities of Kaurava. instead of detachment. How come you are developing attachment? Weaknesses, 100 weaknesses. Money makes you weak completely, slave of everything. A stupid fellow, realize, yalla bhase. Nija karmota, realize fellow, what is karma, what removes karma. Do that fellow with antenna, you will create all this wealth. Is for entertaining, polluting, you are creating a DNA, germ immortality, vinodaya chitta, moda jahi, dhanagama trishna, kuru sadbuddhim, मनसे वेतृष्णा यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपाता. The sin of karma instead of cleaning your fellow, adding karma, he's stupid. Come on, let's go to a guru in Badrinath. Spirituality, your Sanskrit of reading books is not for entertainment, for enlightenment. Vinodaya chitta, yoga chitta, vritti nirodha. Hey my dear, yoga chitta, sahitam no, vinodaya chitta, you stupid, hey stupid, bhaja Govinda, bhaja Govinda, Govindam bhaja mudhamate. Samprapte, creating your prarabdha karma, dying like this, you useless fellow. What are you chanting, stupid fellow? Stop chanting, dukring karane. Naristana bhara nabhiresha, drishtva magha moha vesha. Etan mansa vasadevi karam, manase vijintaya varam varam. You fellow, stupid fellow, worshipper of the waistline of the woman, worshipper of the bottom bosom, you stupid seeker of a flesh than worshipper of a flesh, like a spirit, like a hungry god. You stupid fellow, drishtva magha mohavesham. You stupid ignorant, you are burning desire of land. Ethan Mausa worshipper of the lousy body, let her bow. Ethan Mausa vasadi vikara, dirty bound, traded on, ever to get rid. Manase vijandaya varam varam, instead of cleaning man. adding, developing for the craving, for the leather pouches to pen. Bhaja Govinda, Bhaja Govinda, Govindam Bhaja Modhamate. Samprapte Sannite Kale, death won't wait for you stupid. Do you know when will death come? As if death won't come, you spending time worshipping breast, worshipping bottom, and worshipping bodies of flesh like a hungry goat, a stupid fellow. Come on, let's go to the Guru. Bhaja Govinda, let us burn. Jo me mortality, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Modhamate. Bhaja Govinda, Bhaja Govinda, Govinda Bhaja Modhamate. Modaye Dhanaghamadrishna Nalini Dalagada Jalamadi Tarala Sarvajiveda Madhya Jabala Adhya Jabala Tadvajiveda Adhya Jabala Nalini Dalagada. Instead of cleaning the past, which is dark, instead of washing it up, you are further contaminating your waters. Jalamate garala. Instead of cleaning, tarala. With these words, staining your mind. Vedevyadya bhimana grasta. With this stupid intellect, you go and shout, you go and claim you are a yogi, useless fellow, worshipper of ego. Vedevyadi abhimana grasta. You fellow suffer from disease of ego. You kill yourself, you kill everyone in the name of Vidya, in the name of yoga, in the name of spirituality. Your vocabulary, you stupid fellow, Vidhivyadya abhimana grastam lokam shokagatanjamasa. Entire world is crying. Entire world is, this is the what stupidity. Instead of ending the suffering, going to the root cause, like anyone else, it has become business, spirituality, it has become entertainment, it has become a false pride, a scholarly work. Instead of getting out of the world of suffering, instead of taking everyone out of the world of suffering. A stupid fella, stop. Bhaja Govinda, Bhaja Govinda, Govinda, Bhaja Modhamate, Samprapte, Sannite Kale, Nainayiragade, Dukangarane. Ya Yavarveto Pajanazagda Tavanneja Parivarora Pachajivati Jajarade Arta Kopina Pruchadige Bhaja Govinda, Bhaja Govinda, Govindam Bhaja Modhamate Yavarveto Pajanasakta entire world engaged in desire of earning money, filling desire. Even you when there's knowledge, doing the same, you are no different, my dear. Tavanneja parivaro rakta contaminating even the Shopenale Pacha Jivadi Jajarade. You will grow old, you will repent, you will suffer, either the life, either water you doing, either water, that mean my dear, Vatankopi na Prujadige. Are you sure you will have again human birth? Hey, stupid fellow, you'll be born as hungry crows. Come on, ladder, go to Guru. My Guru is great in Badarinath. Bhaja Govinda, Bhaja Govinda, Govindam Bhaja Modhamate Samprapte Sannite Kale Nai Nai Ragare Dukungarane. They stop it chanting, they stop it knowledge. I'll only kill you, can't protect you. Come on, let's go to Guru Govinda, Govinda, Bhagavad Pada Charya. Balastavan Pidadada Tarunadava Tarunidada Estupid womanizer, how shall you are Radada Chindamana. Where is your mind in that young girl, a young boy? Don't tell me, you stupid fellow, you want to please that stupid girl whom you worship. I know where you are, mind concentrated. Parame Brahmane Kopina Lagna. Veda question, Brahmana Brahman. Veda question, where is your mind? Tell me truly, a stupid fellow. Tell me, tell me. Come on, leave it, let us go. Bhaja Govinda, Bhaja Govinda, Govinda, Bhaja Mudha Sasangadve Nesangadva Nesangadve Nirmohatva Nirmohatve Nijaladadva Nijaladadva Jivanamade going to a guru, a part of Sangha, all enlightened, only going to a guru who is enlightened, my dear. Satsangadva, Nisangatva, you will learn technology of choiceless detachment. And that only the detachment, Nisangatva, Nirmohatva, delusions of attachment, all craving, all desire, come to end, all delusion, Nirmohatva, free from craving, free from desire, your mind won't move anywhere. Nichalatatva, nichalatatva, mind free from ego, free from desire, free from anyone, free from ambition, get liberated, experience that stillness, dear, that peace in here, Jivana Mukti, while you are alive, experiencing heaven on earth. Singularity, mind doesn't go anywhere after a desire. Sasangatva, nisangatva, nisangatva, nirmohatva, nirmohatva, nichalatatva, nichalatatva, Jivan Mukti, hey dear, come on ladder, go to Guru, my Guru is great, who know technology. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate Samprapte Sannite Kale Nai 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 Drukunkarane Stupid fellow, leave it, let's go to Himalaya, to Badrinath, to my Guru. Vayasigare Kakama Vigara, I can see you are lost. Look for girl, you stupid fellow. You are young, burning with desire of complete girl. You stupid fellow, reading Vedanta, reading yoga. You think it is yoga detachment. You are burning with the lust of this is now you young fellow. Vayasigate kama vikara wasting Viryam semen discharging, you are becoming lean, you stupid fellow. Stop the discharge, start discharging from your mind of vasana, smell from here, not discharging from here. My duty, you are discharging of duty, not from here. Shushke nire igara, but looking for a girlfriend. You are becoming lean. All the days are not for Brahmin. All the days for girlfriends to bed. Discharging, discharging. For even a girlfriend, even naughty, not meeting, you are becoming lean, lean, discharging, discharging. Understand? Shushke nire shine videga parivara. What won't you do to get this girl? Whatever the money, whatever knowledge, what won't you do? For you are stupid, that breast and bottom eating you away, eating you away. Oh my dear, don't tell me what you are, stupid fellow, stupid fellow. Jnane tasve asanga, there is not jnana. This is not yoga, this is bhoga. Come, let's go. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Modhamata. Sambramne Nayadengane Nahe nahe rakshade dekran karane akarane. What you are not supposed to do, you are doing. Duk akarane, duk akarane, duk akarane. Nahi nahi rakhne, it won't protect you from disease or old age or death. They stupid chant, they stupid vocabulary of Sanskrit storm. And come, let's go, Sanskrit for Sanskarana, cleaning the sting, cleaning the sin. Oh, my dear strawberry wallah. Modhamate, modhamate, modhamate.